Guys, Miguel here. Quick video, probably one of the last in this Volkswagen GTI. I'm tearing it apart, but this is pretty much for the Momo steering hub. That's the horn. That's what connects to the horn. And this is the jumper that they put with a resistor for the airbag. So I'm gonna do a pretty good video of this so that you could see that the resistor side is gonna be on the blue wire that comes out of the steering wheel part, and then the red wire is gonna go to the brown. And then these guys have connectors on them. I'm just gonna snip everything at this point and pretty much try to get as close to there as possible. So if I do change my mind, or if I do sell the steering wheel or whatnot, the next person is gonna know exactly where to get it. I mean, where to connect it. But if you're wondering where the resistor goes, that's where it goes, right there. And hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.